So I'm trying a new thing today. Here we are, Scarborough Marina, beautiful morning. So I'm just going to blog or vlog everything that I'm doing today. I brought the paddles for the new kayaks that we've got here. Fish net in case we do any fishing. Under the steps of our Marina 34. We keep these two places just for engine stuff basically. So today I'm going to put a bit of fuel treatment into the diesel to kill off any algae so that we can keep our fuel flowing nice and freely. There it is, this is what I'm using today. Diesel detox. We don't want any more engine stoppages. So here it says 60 ml treats 100 litres. So I'm going to have to put 4 times that in, so I'll probably have to buy some more. This is my fuel filler. I'm going to put 2 lots of this in each side, which is what I need for my tanks today. So just measure on here, 60 ml is about halfway. So here we go, here's the first 60 mils. First 60 mils for that. Okay, that's 2 put in that side. So I've just made a note of this treatment on my phone here. I've put 2 times 60 ml in the starboard tank. It will need another one, and I need to put some in the other side too. And another load of 60 mils twice on this side. And the second one for this side. Last treatment for this side. Just enough for both. Excellent. Then we're all for newbie boaties. Fold away steps, indispensable on a boat.